Everyone thinks the best-selling Bladeless tower fan is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Levoit Tower Fan. The Levoit Tower Fan caught my eye right away with its sleek design and a price of $54.97. If you want a whisper-quiet fan that keeps your space cool without the noise, this is worth a serious look. This fan boasts a unique multi-blade design that creates a gentle breeze, which is perfect if you're looking for a more natural airflow feel. It pumps out wind at a speed of 25 feet per second and features a remarkable 90-degree oscillation, ensuring that every corner of your room gets cooled. Plus, it has smart sensors that adjust the airflow based on the room temperature, which means you're not just getting air, you're getting customized comfort. This fan has already been bought over 40,000 times in the past month, showing how popular it is. Now, some people mention that the remote control can be a bit finicky at times. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly going to use it from a distance, it might not be a deal breaker for you. For those who want a fan that's not only functional, but also blends in nicely with any decor, this is a solid option. This is perfect for you if you want a quiet fan for your bedroom that looks modern and provides excellent airflow. Skip this one if you're looking for something with more flashy features, but honestly, for the price, you're getting great value here. Now, if the Levoit's reliance on the remote bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Dreo Tower Fan.
Product number 2, Dreo Tower Fan. The Dreo Tower Fan comes in at $69.98, and let me tell you, the upgraded DC motor really caught my attention. If you're after a fan that delivers serious power while staying ultra quiet, this is worth a look. This fan can reach wind speeds of up to 28 feet per second, which is impressive for a home fan. The 20 decibel noise level means it's quieter than a whisper, so it's perfect for keeping your cool while you work or sleep. With 8 speed settings and 4 modes, you can customize your breeze from a gentle waft to a powerful gust. It also oscillates a full 90 degrees, ensuring the airflow covers a large area. Selling over 20,000 units in the past month shows it's a popular choice among buyers. However, some users have pointed out that it can take a few moments to hit the desired speed. Here's the thing though, if you're patient and prefer a fan that ramps up airflow smoothly, this won't bother you at all. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile fan for a large room or want a quiet option for your bedroom. Skip this if you're looking for something compact, but for the power, it's definitely worth considering. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more adjustability.
Product number 3, Dreo Adjustable Fan. Another Dreo product, this one priced at $69.96. What really caught my attention is its adjustable height feature. If you're looking for a fan that adapts to different situations, this is worth a serious look. This model circulates air up to an impressive 90 feet away, filling your space with a refreshing breeze in under 2 minutes. The fan operates at a quiet 20 decibels, making it a great choice for nighttime use. With a height that can be adjusted from 38 to 42 inches and a pivoting head, you can direct airflow exactly where you need it, whether it's low for kids or high for adults. It has 8 speeds and an auto mode that adjusts based on temperature, which is a fantastic feature for those hot summer days. Now, some users mentioned that the assembly can be a bit tricky, but honestly, once it's set up, it operates smoothly and quietly, making it well worth the initial hustle. This is perfect for you if you're after a fan that can adapt to your family's needs or different rooms in your house. Skip this one if you're looking for something that doesn't require any setup, but for the versatility, it's a fantastic investment. If that height adjustment isn't what you're after, this next fan has a different kind of simplicity.
Product number 4, Dreo Simple Fan. The Dreo Simple Fan is priced at $59.96, and I was drawn to its compact design. If you want a fan that offers solid performance without taking up too much space, this is worth considering. This fan provides a swift 26 foot per second airflow, which is perfect for quick cooling in larger spaces. It's designed to operate at a mere 28 decibels, making it a great companion for light sleepers or anyone who enjoys a peaceful environment. With a sleek design that blends seamlessly into your decor, it offers 90-degree oscillation and various modes to suit your needs. This model has been purchased over 7,000 times just this month, indicating its popularity. However, some users found the remote to be a bit limited in range. Here's the thing, if you're usually in close proximity to the fan, this won't be an issue for you. This is perfect for you if you want a compact fan that's easy to move around and fits well in smaller spaces. Skip this one if you need a fan that covers a massive area, but for its size, it's a solid option. Now, if compactness isn't what you're looking for, let's move on to something a bit more powerful. Product number 5, Dr. Prepare Tower Fan. We have the Dr. Prepare Tower Fan, priced at $39.99. This fan really surprised me with its features for such an affordable price. If you're on a budget but still want solid performance, this is a great option. With 8 speeds and a powerful DC motor delivering wind speeds of up to 23 feet per second, this fan can cool you down quickly. It's engineered to operate at just 25 decibels, making it one of the quietest options on this list, perfect for your bedroom or home office. The touchscreen and remote control make it user-friendly, and the 80-degree oscillation ensures it covers a good area of your space. Selling over 3,000 units recently shows it's gaining traction among budget shoppers. However, some users noted that the timer feature can be a bit finicky. Here's the thing though, if you're not reliant on precise timing, this won't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly fan that still delivers good performance. Skip this one if you want something with a lot of bells and whistles, but for the price, it's a terrific value.
We've covered 5 fantastic bladeless tower fans with remotes today. The Levoit for quiet comfort, the powerful Drio options for versatility, and the budget-friendly Dr. Prepare for affordability. Each has its strengths and caters to different needs, so choose one that fits your lifestyle best. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find your perfect fan.